Today I'm teaching you how to find your virtual card in Revolut. So obviously you could do this on your phone or PC. For this tutorial I'm going to be using PC, so go ahead and search up Revolut. Once you're into here, you'll be greeted to the Revolut website. Make sure to hit login, and before logging in, make sure you select whether you're from the United States, United Kingdom, or from a different country. Once you've verified that, go ahead and hit login. I've already logged in, but keep in mind when you hit login, it's going to ask you for a QR code. And basically what you do is open your iPhone, hit the camera app, and just like hover over it. It'll give you a link, and that link will lead you to your password. You type in your password and you'll have access to your account. So assuming this is all done and good to go, this is going to be your account. Your virtual cards are going to be located right over here on the left hand side where it says cards. Go ahead and click this. So here it'll list you every single virtual card you have. As you can see, I only have one at the moment. Keep in mind, if you're on a free account, you can only make one. The way to make more than one account, or the way to make more than one card, is by upgrading to some of their more pro plans. But this one works completely fine if you only need one. I'm also going to be going through some common issues and some limitations that you're going to want to hear about. So that's going to be near the end. After you find this, go ahead and click this. And then this is where you can mess around with your settings and stuff, but this is how you find it. So some of the warnings and things to be aware of, do not slip up on some of these portions of it, is going to be the difference between a single use and a multi-use card. So these two are very different. This is going to be single use, this is going to be multi-use. So Revolut offers these disposable virtual cards, which basically just means that after each transaction, you can't reuse these. So this is perfect for subscriptions or reoccurring payments that you don't actually want to reoccurringly pay for. You can use these disposable cards as one-time uses, okay? So that's what these single-use cards are. So keep this in mind. These are both valuable. Multiple use is obviously kind of more similar to an actual debit card if you have or want to make multiple payments, especially on different places as well. So aside from this, there are also limitations on these virtual cards. There's a limit to how many virtual cards you can create. So as I already mentioned, you can create one with the free plan. I am on the Revolut free plan at the moment. But again, if you upgrade to the pro plans, you can create as many as you want, an infinite amount. Now, there are security things that you should worry about. Revolut may hide card details until you verify your identity or confirm your PIN. So keep that in mind, as this is very crucial for making successful payments. Also, be careful not to share screenshots of your virtual card because it can be used online just like a physical card. So as you can see here, I have mine blurred out for that exact privacy reason. Another thing you should also worry about is the region restrictions. Some features like virtual cards or disposable cards may not be available in certain countries or account tiers. So specific to countries, at least in the US, it is available. And from what I know, in the UK, it's also available. But other countries, I'm not too sure about. So honestly, do your due diligence when it comes to this sort of stuff. Now, another issue is like cards not working. So if you've ever tried these virtual cards and they're not working, it's either one of three things that I've usually seen. So the first thing is you don't have enough funds on the account. Obviously, you just need to deposit some more through your debit card or whatever card you have connected to it. The merchant doesn't accept prepaid cards or virtual cards because these both are pretty much the same. Not really, but like they're classified as the same to a lot of vendors. So keep that in mind. And the last thing is that your card hasn't been frozen or locked in the app. So there is a way to freeze these cards, and as you can see right over here, if I go ahead and click this, there's a way to freeze it. So make sure this is not frozen. Make sure it says freeze instead of unfreeze. If it says unfreeze, just go ahead and click this and you'll be good to go to make any purchase you'd like with your virtual card. If this was helpful or insightful, consider giving me a subscribe and have a good one.